cost planning is very important. And why does that matter for construction? पेट्रोल और डीजल नहीं मिलेगा। What's really happening globally? War, rumors and reality. What it really means for construction and interior design. Welcome back to Ad by Archie, the podcast where we simplify construction, interiors and the real world impacts that affects our projects and investments. In our last episode, we talked about how global conflicts impact the construction industry, but today we are taking a step further because right now it's not just about war. It's about fear, rumors, price panic, and market reactions. From petrol price hikes to material shortages, from stock market volatility to client hesitation, what's real, what's apprehended, and what you should do. Let's break it down. What's really happening globally? Whenever global tensions rise, whether it involves the countries like US, Israel, or others, the first impact is not bombs. The first impact is uncertainty. The uncertainty spreads faster than anything else. Markets react, media amplifies, and the people start assuming worst case scenarios. But here's the truth. Not every war directly disrupts construction globally, but supply chain, fuel, investor confidence, there always get affected. So instead of reacting emotionally, we need to understand the chain reaction. We can take a segment like petrol, diesel and the cost domino. Let's address the biggest rumor right now. पेट्रोल और डीजल नहीं मिलेगा, प्राइसेस skyrocket हो जाएंगे. But here's the reality. Fuel shortages rarely happen instantly. But price fluctuations, yes, they do. They are real. And why does that matter for construction? Because fuel impacts everything. Transportation of raw materials, machinery operations, labor commute, logistic cost. So when fuel prices rise, cement becomes expensive, steel transport cost increases, interior materials delivery cost goes up. What it results? It results on 5 to 15% depending on the scale. The prices increases, but yes, panic is not needed. Cost planning is very important now. Material supply and import dependency. This can be the next segment. Let us talk about materials, the backbone of interior and construction. Many people realize this, but India depends on imports for several materials on materials. Many people don't realize this, but India depends on imports for several key materials. High quality plywood laminates, premium hardware fittings, lighting fixtures, specialized stones and marbles. Now, in times of global conflict, shipping routes slow down, import duties fluctuate, delivery timelines increase. So, what happens? Designers face delays, clients get frustrated, projects get stuck midway. And here's the hidden impact. Local suppliers start increasing prices due to high demand and low supply. So even domestic materials can become expensive. Now think about stock market and investor psychology. Now coming to another hot topic. Stock market गिर गया है, क्या कंस्ट्रक्शन इंडस्ट्री क्रैश करेगी? Let's understand this simply. When war news spreads, investors pull out money, markets become unstable, and the construction is directly linked to investment sentiments. So, what happens? Builders delay new projects, investors hold cash instead of spending, clients postpone home interiors. Now, not because they don't have money, but because they are unsure about the future. This creates temporary slowdown in the industry. But remember, this is usually short term. Now, thinking about the impact on the design projects directly, it brings to your level, that's interiors. If you are a homeowner, a designer, or a contractor, here what you may experience: budget that needs to be revised, mid in the mid times, material substitutions, delay in the timelines, client asking for cheaper alternatives. For example, instead of importing marble, clients may choose Indian stone. Instead of premium fittings, mid range options can work out. This does not mean bad designs, it means smart adaptation. The winners in this phase are those who offer flexible solutions, educate clients, optimize budgets without compromising aesthetics. Now we have to think about rumors versus reality. Let's bust some myths quickly. फ्यूल खत्म हो जाएगा, false. Prices fluctuate, supply rarely stops completely. Construction बंद हो जाएगा, false. Slowdown possible, shutdown unlikely. सब कुछ डबल महंगा हो जाएगा, too much. Selective increase happens, not everything. The biggest danger right now is not war, it is misinformation. What are the opportunities in this chaos? It is the most important part. Yes, even in crisis, there are opportunities. Local materials that are not that popular, they gain popularity. Sustainable designs become more relevant. People become more budget friendly. Innovation increases. For professionals, you can stand out by offering smart solutions. Build trust by giving guidance. Position yourself as an expert, not just a seller. For clients, this is a time to plan wisely. Look prices early. Avoid impulsion decisions. So, the next year you will hear, war ho rahi hai, sab khatam ho jayega, take a step back. But really, reality is not a panic, reality is strategy. And the construction and the interior design, those who stay informed with. If you found this episode helpful, share it with someone who is planning a project or already working on one. This is guided by Archie, and we will see you in the next episode with more clarity and less confusion. Thank you. Hi friends, my name is Archana and you are watching Ad by Archie. If you like my podcast, please like it, subscribe it and share it.